Clarissa here again, and bringing you a great recipe. You can do it at home, and it is a serum that will keep your skin tighter and plump. And so I want to share that with you, and I have been doing this recipe for a long time now, and it really works excellent to maintain the skin tight and plump. And so before I start the video, I want to always greet my beautiful subscribers. Welcome new subscribers, and thank you so much for your beautiful comments. And I want to say also thank you to the beautiful people in Instagram that they follow me. There is this beautiful lady, Kim, that she always is leaving comments. Also Jana. I want also to say thank you to Glory. And I don't remember the names of everyone, but thank you so much for everyone who follows me. And don't forget to share these videos and subscribe and thumbs up for this video. Okay, my friends, let's start it. So we're going to be using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 ingredients, but I am going to explain what each ingredient does, basic a brief description of each product that I want to use for you, each oil, because it's oils. Let's start first explaining what each ingredient does to your skin, the benefits and the results that you're going to get. Okay, the first ingredient is going to be evening primrose oil. This oil is one of the most hydrating oils, and oil that will help to plump the skin. So remember, I had explained in other videos that the skin is composed of lipids, cholesterol, and essential fatty acids. So an oil that provides essential fatty acids, especially omega-3, it's gonna keep your skin plump. So primrose oil has all those benefits. So you're going to have a half of a teaspoon mixing in a container like this. I didn't have an empty container, but this is a container of pigmentation from Collagen Biology pigmentation product, but this is 2 ounces, and make sure it's like a dark container. So I brought this just to show you which container you should use. Very important, it has to be a dark container because there are oils and you don't want the oils to become rancid. Okay, so another one, and that is going to keep you plump, your skin plump and hydrated. It is organic hemp seed oil. Okay, so make sure all the oils are organic, and this here is also very moisturizing, and it provides high amounts of omega-3, and so having a solution, a recipe that provides the fatty acids, it will help to maintain your own essential fatty acids of your skin activated. So because as we age, we lose those lipids, or we lose cholesterol, the good cholesterol in our skin, and so it's very important to replace it. And so this is also half of a teaspoon, and it's organic hemp seed oil. I bought everything at the health food store, but I will put the names on the video. Okay, so another oil that you're going to use, it is a castor oil, or organic. So castor oil, it's another oil that will help to plump the skin. It's a powerful antioxidant, and also helps to stimulate collagen and provides the fatty acids as well. So this oil, castor oil, it is excellent oil mixed with the oils that I am telling you right now to maintain the skin plump. But it's coming the ingredient that it's going to help to make the skin tighter. Castor oil is a humectant, meaning that it is a water binding ingredient that keeps the skin hydrated at all times. Castor oil is a beautiful oil. All the oils that I'm showing you is to plump the skin. And the last oil that I'm going to show you, it is the pure olive esqualane oil. Esqualane, it's a super antioxidant. It's very hydrating. It provides all the fatty acids and replenish the skin to maintain it supple, and it's very good for mature skin. And esqualane oil, it's very similar to the lipids of our own skin. And so half of a teaspoon. All the oils that I mentioned use half of a teaspoon. And then you have here the aloe vera. As you see, it's finished because I always do this recipe. And this is by Lily of the Desert, aloe vera. So what you're going to do is 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera, and then you shake it good, very, very good. And so aloe vera provides all the amino acids for your skin. So remember, I had said prior in other videos that the skin needs the amino acids. Amino acids are molecules called peptides that the skin needs it in order to send signals to produce more collagen. So this is loaded of amino acids, minerals, vitamins, enzymes, and it's an astringent. Aloe vera is very beautiful ingredient because it has the astringent effect that contracts body tissue, skin tissue, to give a firming effect to your skin. So you're going to be happy with this recipe. And the last ingredient, you're going to get half of a teaspoon of glycerine. Glycerine is a humectant as well. Like I said prior, it's a water binding ingredient, so it's going to help hydrate the skin. Also use, did I say half of a teaspoon? It is a very good ingredient to maintain the skin well hydrated. And make sure it's organic, 100% pure vegetable glycerine. If you cannot find organic, then just a good quality of glycerine. Okay, so you're gonna mix all these ingredients and use it after you exfoliate your skin. Do derma rolling. This formula will be excellent to use after derma rolling. The reason is because derma rolling produces these little microspheres, these tiny little wounds, and the skin is open, your pores are open. So when you apply this formula that is loaded with fatty acids, will plump your skin. And besides, the aloe vera has the astringent effect, like I said, that helps to contract the skin tissue to give you this tightening effect, this firming effect. So this is the recipe to maintain your skin tight and plump. And you're going to see results almost immediately because these oils are known for, according to studies, to help plump the skin due to the omega, the content of the omega-3 and the other fatty acids. And your skin needs it because as we age, we lose our own essential fatty acids. And don't forget to take fish oils, fatty acids internally, and ceramides. Your skin will be extra plump by doing that. Okay, my friends, stay tuned for more videos, and I love you, and you take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, ciao, bye-bye, ciao.